I am Dr. Mayank Trivedi, University Librarian and Senate Member of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, and I would like to share that research is more impactful and it is more useful. We can say that how research is more useful, it can be measured on the basis of the downloads and access. So we have observed, and it can be told that the research, whatever research is being done at the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda is more impactful in comparison to all other universities across the India. And on 21st September, library has been awarded on first rank so far as the electronic thesis and dissertation download point of view. In fact, UGC is focusing on teaching and research, and every faculty across the India in various universities have to go for teaching and research. These are the two main criteria, and everybody is doing research, but research is more impactful whenever research is being accessed globally, widely, and it proves an impactful research when it is being downloaded on the highest number point of view. So Hansa Mehta Library has digitized all PhD theses in 2014, and we have uploaded all these PhD theses on a Shodhganga platform, which is an Indian platform in which all the universities across the India are uploading theses on Shodhganga platform. Likewise, PQDT, that is ProQuest Dissertation and Thesis, is a global platform on which more than 2 million full-text theses are there, and renowned universities like Harvard, Cornell, Oxford and Cambridge have also uploaded their theses on that platform. So MSU has also uploaded all these PhD theses on PQDT platform, and university has been awarded a first rank among all other Indian universities on downloaded thesis point of view. So this award is being awarded on 21st September at New Delhi, and I as a university librarian has accepted that award.